Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a project share for you. This is a swap going out to my friend Lisa, and she's at Worthy Life on Instagram, and she also has a YouTube channel, and I will put the link for her channel and her Instagram down below. So we started back probably about a year ago doing a swap that is the fruits of the Spirit. And we started off with love, joy, and peace. We've done those three. I will put the links for all of those videos down below so you can see what those look like. Now we are on the fourth fruit of the Spirit, which is patience. And so with my series of the fruits of the Spirit, I've been trying to tie in an actual fruit. And so since it is summertime right now, I thought that the watermelon would be really cute fruit to incorporate. And I had found some fruit things or some watermelon things at the Target dollar spot. I found some cute little post-it notes and I cut them up here. And then I also found note cards, and I just cut this from there. This part of the note card says hello in some silver foiling, so I just cut that down so it would fit into the baseball card protector. I also found some note cards that say you're wanting a melon, and they have this piece of watermelon on there, so I just cut those out of that, but it was a little bit too big to use on the card or on the within the baseball card slot, so that was the only part that I could use off of that one. Anyway, to start off at the top here, I of course cut that piece from that note card, and then on the next block here I did the same here as well as down here. I did some watercoloring of some watermelons and just cut that up here and used it on both spots, and then I layered it on top of this green stripe and put some rhinestones, tied it up with some really cute ribbon here that has green and pink stripes and then a pink polka dot, and then I added some of my flowers and a rhinestone there. And then over here, as well as this corner down here, I used that green stripe, and then I added a pink doily, and then I made an altered paper clip by painting the watermelon. I added some stickles around the edges and then glued on this little bow there. And then in the middle, on the two sides, I used this pink paper that I had in my stash and added a little border there, and then I cut half of the little watermelon post-it and put that in the corners and added some stickles on the seeds, and then tied it up with some green seam binding. In the middle I have this verse. It's James 1:4, and it talks about the fruit of the Spirit being patience, and it says, "Let patience finish its work so that you may be mature and complete, not lacking anything." And then down below here, of course, I talked about this one and this one as well. Over here, I added another piece of that note card that was from the Target dollar spot. And I put some of the pink paper behind it, or on top of it. And then on the front is another verse that's Romans 12:12, and it says, "Be joyful in hope, patient in affliction, faithful in prayer." And I just thought that was a great verse to remember. So, and then on the side here, I made a little tassel with some seam binding with that ribbon and some twine, pink and white and green and white. And then I tied it on with the little watermelon and put fruit of the Spirit, patience, on the other side there. And then on the other side, I put my goodies. Down below here, I added some chipboard pieces, this little butterfly. This is the Post-it notes, the watermelon Post-it notes. And then here I just took a piece of that note card and wrapped around some fun yarn that I had in my stash. Down below here I have these little satin stickers. They're like ribbon, but they have stitching on them, and there's just different sayings in there, but they were green and pink, so I picked those out. And then I added some green flowers. In here, some pink and green buttons. And then over here, some more of the watermelons. And then I have these little green turtles that I found in my stash that I made for my Cricut. And then the last few things I'll be doing at the top here, I want to find some fun flavored tea, maybe some watermelon sort of candy to put in there, and then I'll put my letter in there. So that is my short, quick little project review for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.